see what are the current energies of your person, what are they feeling and thinking towards you right now, what actions are they going to take in the upcoming days, and what advice and guidance is for you to make this connection happen, or how you should stay in this particular connection. So, my name is Neha Tankha. You also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. I'm here to guide you and guide the way for you when it comes to your love life. Also, by the end of this particular video, basis this particular tarot reading, I am going to suggest the spell work that you can go through, that you can get done through me. And if you want to go ahead and do a personalized session with me, you can go ahead and do that as well. The links are in the description box below. Let's see what are the current thoughts and feelings of your person, what are the current energies of your person towards you right now. What are they feeling? What are they thinking? So, you know the drill. Quickly close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, say their name, hit the like button to connect with my energies, and drop be positive in the comment section. What are the current thoughts and feelings? This is for the viewers who are watching this particular video right now and have dropped like and dropped be positive in the comment section. Current thoughts and feelings, current thoughts and feelings. Oh my god, straight up the very first card that came is the sun. That is such a positive card, and the very first card also sets a tonality of every reading. So I feel happiness, I feel uh, so much of abundance coming in your personal relationships, your love relationship. I feel you at the top of the world. You are enjoying, you are happy, you are positive, you're radiating that glow, you're radiating that light, that people are uh, getting drawn towards you, and it is such a beautiful energy right now. I see you are very happy. With the 8 of cups, I do see that either you or your person, but majority I feel it's you who may have taken some space. And of lately, in the recent past, I see that you were going in a zone which was a little negative, and I do see that you were going away from this particular connection. More than away, I see you taking space, or your person taking space from this particular connection, and you didn't know, you had no clue as to what exactly is happening. And by the way, guys, 12th of April is the full moon day, so my bookings and slots are open for the full moon candle healings and spell work. And cat candle is the only candle work that I do only on full moon, and the results are very strong. In case if you would like to book the cat candle, by the way, for marriage commitment, you can go ahead and book that, because it is only and only performed on full moon. I do not perform it on any other day. Okay, so the high priestess, oh my god, trust your intuitions. What I feel right now, that you know you already feel very conquered. I feel that somewhere down the line, you or your person did walk away from this particular connection. There was space, but because of that particular space wherein you may have walked away from this connection or may have taken a break, this person intuitively felt that you are sort of leaving them behind, and that is when they realize that they cannot let you go. They cannot let you go. And whatever confusion and the juggle was there in their mind, now they know that I can't stay stuck, or I can't keep this person, my partner, hanging right in the middle. I need to take a firm step. And here comes the step, which is Ace of Pentacles, which tells me that they are coming out of the juggle and they are proposing you, they are proposing marriage, they're proposing a relationship or a long-term commitment, because something tells me that you are going to feel very happy on top of the world, and you would not be able to contain those feelings within you. Okay, you would not be able to contain those feelings within you. 2 of Cups, when I said they are going to propose to you, yes, You are going to be with your soulmate, you are going to be with your person. And the devil says that whatever fears and phobias were there about this particular connection and your partner is going to get over. For few, I see that you or your person may be traveling, or there was a lot of negativity going on, or it can be a long distance relationship. Whatever out of this is there, or all of it, it is going to end, because I do see that you are taking the control in your hand. The Queen of Wands tells me that you are not somebody who feels scared of chasing your dreams. You are not somebody who feels scared of speaking your mind or speaking your truth. With the Seven of Cups, this person actually kept you very confused, and you were in a very very different state of mind, wherein you were losing yourself in this particular is in this entire process. But here comes the Ace of Wands, which tells me that soon you are arriving. This person is going to tell you everything. Whatever is going to happen, it is going to happen for good. So I do see a lot of things are improving in this particular connection. The way you wanted it is going to happen like that. With the Four of Swords, whatever negativity was there, it is going to get over. This person has been overthinking, in fact thinking a lot, or you have been overthinking in the past about this particular connection, to an extent wherein now you're feeling overwhelmed and tired as to where this particular connection is headed towards. Now things are going to turn around, and I do see that the passion, the attraction in this particular connection is going to come back in upcoming 1 week or 1 month. I do see new passion igniting, new emotions igniting in this particular connection. The Magician tells me that somewhere down the line, you are going to feel on top of the world. You have manifested hard. And I do see the Magician card is also telling me that there are few of you who's watching this particular video, you may have taken a spell work from someone, or you may have got it done through me. And now is the time when you are going to now is the time when you are going to see the effects coming up. If you haven't, then trust me guys, the slots are open for the 12th of April, full moon day. Now's the time, because I do see with your positive affirmation and manifestation, the spell work, my spell work is going to boost the entire process for you. All right, so 12th of April is the day when things are going to happen. We have full moon that particular day, and the Magician itself coming up in this particular reading tells me that you will do everything in your power. You will put every effort to make your manifestations turn into reality, and that is good. I mean, majority of the people, they come and ask me what spell work are, what candle work are, healings are. By the way guys, that's an energetic healing. It is not a black magic. I don't do black magic. I don't make things happen. It is not something that is going to happen overnight. It's energetic, pure white magic intentions. If you have any ill intentions, do not come to me, because this is pure manifestation and positivity here, which is welcomed. Temperance, we have healing coming in this particular connection. Lot of patience, lot of balance, lot of healing, lot of good things are coming in this particular situation, in this particular connection. Lot of good things. Amazing. I do see you are healing, they are healing, and the moon tells me whatever fears, phobias were there, they are going. I see that nowadays either you or your person is dreaming a lot, and not positive dreams, not very positive dreams, but whatever dreams that you are, seeing right now in your dreams, whatever you see, you are. I don't know why, but I'm getting this thing that you are getting a lot of messages downloaded from the universe. The universe is directly guiding you. So keep a watch on your dreams, because universe is going to give you a lot of messages and downloads through dreams. Six of Wands, that your success is definitely right in the corner. You are bound to be very 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 successful. For few, I see in career, if you've been struggling in career, now is the time when I see that you are going to be doing pretty great in your career as well in upcoming 6 weeks. I do see within 6 weeks, anytime I do see rewards and recognition coming in. If you have been waiting for a promotion, promotion can be it. If you're waiting for a good salary upgrade, that can be it. If you're waiting for a job change and a good, a company, then that is there. If nothing is happening, then some sort of remuneration or award you are going to win. Some recognition is going to come in for majority of you. The Four of Cups, I do see that you may have felt very disheartened, okay, very disheartened as to how this particular connection is turning out in the recent past, and you had no clue as to why exactly is it happening, when you never wanted things to be like that. You always wanted positivity, you always wanted good things to come to you. But why is it like things are not happening and moving the way you wanted to? The Star card tells me that you always had hope. Even though you walked away, you took space for healing, but you always had hope and manifestations, positive affirmation and manifestation that you were doing. You always had hope, but somehow your heart was broken in the recent past, and you sort of felt really bad. Very few of you, I'm sensing a third party situation as well in this particular connection. There can be issues in this particular connection. This is not for all of you, very few of you. And now your person has started to regret with the Five of Cups. Now they feel that they shouldn't have done this, and now they want to come back, repair the connection, heal the connection. They are coming back with a light-hearted attitude, with a light-hearted behavior. They may just drop a message saying that, oh, you know what, I am really sorry, I shouldn't have done that, this, blah 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 blah. The Knight of Swords tells me somewhere down the line, this person may have been impulsive, or you may have been impulsive in the recent past, because of which things went down the hill. Things did not turn out in your favor, in their favor. And now with the Seven of Swords, I do see that somewhere down the line you had pushed them away. You were doing you, they were doing themselves, and now all of a sudden that realization has come. They are regretting. They may even come and apologize to you because you are the one for them. They can't bear this guilt, this overwhelming emotion of betraying you, your trust over here. Now, what actions, like I said, they are going to take? The actions that they are going to take in this very month, they are going to come forward for third party energies. They are going to leave third party. They are going to come forward. They are going to apologize to you. And for people where there was no third party involvement, I see them coming forward to you with a commitment offer, a stability offer, and that is going to make you feel really, really, really happy, because you have gone through a rough patch in the recent past. And when you detached or disengaged from this particular connection, it is then that they realize the value or worth of this particular situation or this connection and you, and now they are going to come forward. What is the advice and guidance for my viewers here who have connected to my energies? Like this particular video and drop be positive in the comment section. The advice and guidance is King of Wands. I do see in the advice, the cards are telling me that this person can be a little on and off initially, but if you see the line here, the tiger here, sorry, I feel that even though if they have been on and off, you be very practical in handling this person, be very balanced in handling this person, because this person and this connection is going to happen only when you have a control on your heart and you act out of your mind. You will have to manipulate few things in this particular situation, because the Tower tells me that you also have that realization that things were not that easy and things were not that great, because somewhere down the line you realize that no matter how much you're going to give, you always have to be alert when it comes to this particular person. The Four of Wands tells me that realization that now you want to get settled and you want to get married is there in your mind, and you are now going to push that commitment to them, and you're going to tell them that in case if it is not for that, then I'm not interested. Eight of Swords, see, I don't want to be stuck at one place with you. So that is what you're going to communicate, and that is the advice for you. Page of Cups, they will come forward, they are going to apologize, and that is going to make you feel really, really happy, really happy. You'll be like on top of the world. You do care for this particular person, but you're not showing it, and maybe that is the right way to go. So guys, that's about it in this particular situation. If there is a third party, then please go ahead for the third party removal spell. The link is in the description box below. I and In case if you want this person to come forward towards you with the commitment, then you can go for the 21 days love combo, because that says it all, covers it all. And in case if you have all of these two intentions, and then you also have your career to take care of, then you can go for the road opener spell. That is the master spell of each and every spell. So you don't have to go for the multiple spells and multiple intentions. All of them will be accumulated in one, and that will be performed for 11 days straight up. So thank you so much for watching this particular video. I'm gonna see you next in the next video. Bye bye.